right. Okay. Come to la can you come? You come. You come. Hey. Come to la can you come? All right. Nana don't go yara. Oh, watch out for Nana. Rumule kunya kanu rubunda bukarambane. Take a feel Una barana buta puria. All right. Basel, hold it. Yes, sire. Neya, sire. Waria kubana ya, tumbanya gutabara kalla. Okay, mimia. Inshallah lafu. Zungo de can explain no representing large and in charge. One don ma can represent Zungo. But the number one stunner, one don ma can represent Zungo. You to have okay, chakana ya kana temali jijia. You to akane. Tena yenzang la tulum po kapa jabara na kan kudurana na tetamlana tehne molla ngunche mina zan hanya via tetekate kana tezanpi ne te bosse nyenya tinto pala alkawle shelten bama sa shel kamza hafizu yaramia no so kapibro puni so katwabro puni ka so pang man nan bukara nan hatene mambang bannan da amfana la pinama kate pang man puni kara nan maya ngun jabaro na kan kudurana na tetamlana tehne molla ma kadari ya puni kara nan maya katimi pa gutul ma kate labsir paabu ka labsir jama nzang simsi ding man so kat sasko den cha kate labsir paabu turu ya sa shal kamza ka fizu yara ne ban masababi ya puni kate kana duni wata nyale tum puka paaba pam ne ku kal ne bobu ya te ban banam chan al kiyama na wuce kare ya bu fuya te ban banam be te manam na biare na na barka na ban yefiya puni ya ka cha kate min ba kate jinne nani yo maka bebe kantanga kan katar ka ba NTV din char mama na wuni yuama o da ma ka ba pirga pa bati yan nabi zanga can Saudi ya kan makami wucena to ku jila fi ka zuwa gande ya na ga fara in yab la mashi na tangban no dala barkane ka tishi ka zuwa gande duniya ya okay saka ne yulu mo Muhammad Hafiz aka G Face shi to bina ya si yang blicin bidu bisan karasu goble bomborle ne torle annabi no hungar ka wari ya pana TV so ya anca kasu palge karman la nyara kunyo chogole ya te ma ka ban ne dan balama abiya ayanga atuzo na panzo sumoma okay kan chali because no sa kantama TV station mo ma yulu mo na NTV ya Tanzania la TV station mo ayi to abiala kaya TV station okay the saya me na ngafara garam yellow yira pour katraba understand ba zo ta understand ya bi yelwa kartije no yale. Yes, TV station mama you know NTV program mama mi yulu mbona den chana yes mi sene bolna ban sha trend la ka tilira ka tinyanya ban sha dan biyar kamal amfana ta ka ta na ta ya targiya okay kaman sumo program ma den yanzan to kulsha pulum balama yasaya neya saya the number one stunner one don ma nyala munchana building mo punia amma mamir mal bukata no tena de baba ne tinshi trench no ma tinshi system chalo ma na won ga fara o drop la track ya ka bolle la yila ngoma no kom nsu water agbaya no kom ka komo ma karzan controversies na karmala lyrical build up in the song ma nirban na ba understandably yeto atamal sine yeto anma sheldin be yila man ma dana malla din nan la kantan kace to ku galbabu de mal bukata no tenapi ntinni le son pansai kate gansu ma kace biar de puni agbaya de malla fasili kaman idadia shabiane be karande me ka be karande dola be vorba ma ka shammi biane hal afane kana anga fara ban karam yila ma pune shabian show voba na ka banye intasi zanti yila ma ka shammi bian be kpoli me twarsha polo di pa shele ko do be mine lela tniya nem ni yeshel ni tichaka understand the content build up in the song agba bu ma fansi gadam trapun ya ma nan balama hana ma bu mala kuku kamal salma ka shammal timba ka shammal bumbu wana na an larga bin shat tinyala ko bu no fansi gadam ko bu no fansi gadam to bambu korma ka ta bu fansi gadam ka biya bu ma na zan turtuza yes aya yes for that reason so what me fansi gadam po hanye yo ta ya and yetu ayina halan wumen zodbel lan yihilana karmala kaman yila ma borno par polo diza ha kuza mo solo ma me de dum ballo afizu bo paru nyirga bo to kuza mo solo tan karati chaka ban ya ba chakante ga ka ban na dinchan program on NTV men asen food spices enta palisi tomato mix lan yela ka Mr. Ren Motors na Institute of African Arts and Technology na Maristops Ghana bezan hamala nutumbo program ma ya lisi tomato mix ma mi no fanse gadam ambassador news antele products ma okay tan karati yel de ba yeto because ambassadorial deals ma de Kasia Pam, Katrapun Yel de Biala, Desan Hatin Yele, but before can they break man, couldn't take Amaka Bang the command, Mampugu Yalongo, Dinin Killer, and now something if you paga chodale, Mampugu Rula, the doors in Balama, I won't go for Umala concert, Umala Shunu, Kabul and Americans concert at the Walla Sports Stadium, Balama, now something if you page, Chumana to know 21st be 20th. The Queen shall come, Nature Dal Yonkala program, and there's a Yomakabe Canton, Mampugu Yalama, we coming to support la program within the course of the program be by the weekend na anga from maybe mid dozen po hane yutaba kati yanya concert ma additional malsham na ba support la show ma so headline stories can do issues coming from Ijura and other places kat born the lady to go chala reza hazale because one woman we're going to be talking about Fancy Gadam and the contractual owner release ma despite issues could be around the area there's already chankantanga then channel on NTV I just take a quick break ni labna Fancy Gadam one don the super ruler Ahmed Mujahid Bello is in the building and he's my guest on the channel to my far and near. I take a break. When I return, the ruler is in the building.
Surana Khalid bin Imran Tamale Maristops Santa Maria. Hindi ko zo Maristops daga Tamale. Ay kinum kayi wajen ne inda mace kina son diya su ba ki samu ko kina son haifuwa ba ki samu ki zo mai mutane ki samu. Inda kina ciki kuma ciki ya bata kuma kina son ki fitin ciki ki zo mai mutane ki. Shin kuma kina son diya ko ba ki son diya? Kina ciki kina tarin ciki da yawa shi kina son ki zo a tani kana ba ki ciki. Mutane kuma shi ciki na ya bar zuwa. Kada zai da yake da namiji kuma ku zama lafiya.
Zan Maristops na tishim ni pa'i no kushel bora. Tu felo ma. Tumbuto cheka daran gan tila la bawo ko sati la zo. Torimi non ko ikana tisalma ka to na to ala fi na kucha. Ka to lan to tila mo shel kar zan go ka ce wannan kwat shela. Dun na buyi ka tu felo ma. The Maristops na ti yar mun kama daran gan tila no di yimnati so kam ba anya be do. Linde nan kan yi ba kana wannan yana kushar ambor nuna da yimna zanta be anya da doka bunon yana zam ba tikwa nuna da yimna ta alba.
My name is Cupid Adubire, the regional manager for Maristops International, the Northern Sector. Maristops is focused on giving you a client-centered experience with all our services and our products. We, the Tamale Center, focus on giving you services that meet the highest safety standards and protocols. We are located behind Zelia restaurant, opposite the main taxi rank, and on top of the GN Bank building. Some of the services we offer include pregnancy options, counseling and management, modern contraceptive methods, STI treatment, cervical cancer screening and treatment, as well as laboratory services. We also have quality products for sale to medical facilities, pharmaceuticals, and individuals. At Maristops, we are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Mondays to Fridays, and on Sundays from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can contact us on 0800 20 85 85 as a toll-free number, or directly on 0544 311 061. At Maristos, we say children by choice, not chance.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Epsonic head office in Tamale here, and this is our agent, Mr. Red Inusa. He is a very trustable agent of Epsonic. He has been doing business with us for more than 10 years. And if your people want to buy motor, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Mava Dantoni, Kajeviela Konzashi, Nigera Shelwanyela Yung Saborle, Ate Yingma Karabara, Yingba Yingma Karagarla, Domisombanya, Tempir Moto Mangalabra Tishana Dirta Mangma, Yingba Champid and Garlet Tiramanga, Boyena, Yunwatum Fiapta Motonema, Tanga Moto Mangakache twice, Domipa Wago Blanya Songa, Absonic Daniela Kanyarango, Absonic Moton Modern Lela Wodum, Guzul Bambara, Absonic Kamal Tool Showroom Tamaliza, Bugber Palazuan Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise. Kan on camion tol Absonic Moton Polonguna, Ben Lava Vimvimani, Motom Manga, Araha Biari, Guzul Dinanye Absonic Motonum, Absonic Dangma Motonum Zoya Pam, Amani Yala Biala, Dinanye Absonic V5, Star, Beyond C5, Tim Michel Welchirala, Campernum Mobuarla Pam, Habi Dungeon de Zogba, Beshebu Tommy, Absonic Moto Kianum Biani, Aloba Denyo Kwambienla, Nerabelbo Pam, Nirida Absonic Moto Tessani, Chirata Susuna Katian Savisser Letrayuele, Dominic Patron Mangabiani, Carize and the Kala Patolakam, Kazonzon Galenyele, Chirata Susuna Kamoto Yemel Mosugo, Anto Lapsana Katata, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise San Antuna Chang, and Tegul Piga Absonic Moto Kamambora, Kabanondon to Kamatamata, Dome Absonic Tumaduso Karlama, Basatila Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise, Nebukwara Absonic Motonimo, and Ternir Kamdakbang Waza, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje San Makaichang, Alanya Benelli Motos, the Bakul Pipe Showroom, Jump to Will Pargam, Blamba RFT 150 Mapuka, NNT 150, NNT 150 Sports, Caraviel Fini, Todenka Giabara, Luciano Babiane, Basa Kamboarle, TRK 251, Dama Moto Balbo Kambale Absonic Motonimo, Ne Benali Motonimoza, Mr. Red Shop Money, Mr. Red Shop Mabiela Waterworks, Ayi Trampolo Sergerna, and Yagana Water Regional Laboratory, Katuru Moto Kwasoma, to Mr. Red Shituamambala, Ami Tumpunbe Waterworks Sergerna, Mr. Red Shituamam feel free Bama Palataba, Wama Mr. Red Shituama Yala, one number Yala 0243 137223, ne 020 6136 730.
Gadam, I'm ya shedding Chababa Borum Binzruma.
Ayo.
Because when you get a shedding Jen, Ababa Borum to overcome, no talk Ababati, when yellow and pump of a halley, Katamalo of Chipulu.
Papi, papi.
Yeah. Na agora. Na gafara.
I am doing Anyebu, Pachan Manu. Ukweye isitwejarana tinombendira wakati katri Panama tuzanyu wakuti imagine mashe ulanyi twejarana tchindro
Yes, Lizzy tomato mix.
Yama, gadam no lwa amle yama.
Mami ndashima. Yala Lizzy tomato mix.
Lizzy tomato mix moya de mes zappe za saksima ne zakara. Lizzy tomato mix so kam ne borshe.
Ne ya saya. Waru ko bahna ne ya saya ya. Nyine ka ti je gol sirma tan kam na program nangu. Kujinya ne gol sira beauty pageant no. Menazin Food Spices, Lizzie Tomato Mix, Ntepa Mr. Red Motors, the Institute of African Arts and Technology, Maristops Ghana, Bokpangma Punaka program, Kanama, Tempuka Paba Paya. Yes, Yomaka Bebe Kantanaka Bob NTV, Katarka Numa, Yelmunda Bagi, no Guarama Pupana, no me Dumana the Fancy Kadam, there's no Chel Nangbachenia, Ochel Pirga Pa, Nanga Faraka Ba NTV, the Tuabet, you Tuabian Punkati and Yellow. One ton is in the Bolden. One ton, so what is I represent a one ton. Aye man, one ton.
Yeah man.
With the one
we are ruling them.
We are ruling them. I mean, I didn't pamo.
Where?
No, I won't malay. Sometimes the man like come on, angatela tabma.
Come on,
Like come on. Is it that easy to get a hit song?
To me, it's very easy.
So why is it difficult for others to get it?
What? You never
No, don't worry. But there's something attrition. Oh, okay. Atra. Like a good hit song. Oh, okay. No, come on, no featuring. Like a couple so it's on you to hit can down, jumping your shoe in Fiabra.
Okay, so I don't want the two.
No, lend this all. Yarman on the compam. Underground senior artist Garcia.
Or the senior artist.
Cotilia underground. Yes, so good no mahal. Jukorunyu, Kotumam Jibla. So program at me silently. Okay. One of Belema. So because never pam one about understanding the shift zoma. Okay. Before Katana kana Chakanya, let's warm up. Which one? The guy is on the
Yes, let's start on my yellow golla.
Okay.
Then you some sashal karatula. Marapuna na wunda to dama. I come imani kaye dama. Tama nang de alhamdulillah. Afan shangani di karnyala yilla. Fasu Manutruba yine fialla. Nyafulu wale kasura teremene ndindana. Ona kubyane yune maka amanti manga. Adenda yikan uyenya koni swa jigijigi. Yo kan uyenya koni swa jigijigi. Kashali wutbani fansi gadam. Tokoroni fansi gadam. Beti fuzu fansi gadam. Luli kamza fansi gadam. Tidenda bungo maka bipurum. Nula karkwenye fansi gadam. Biakam fansi gadam. Ingurlum maka biborma. Bibinya kadol turma babazasi karanya banna rintiche kabanum de mazamba yurlum ngoma kabi borma kabibinya kadol turma babazasi karanya banna rintiche kabinum ma 2010 kandayina 11 12 kashabjuna kalamna takbuba 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 the zakan ruleba come to yen bobba mi yai bene bang bi yen shell kam kan she nyala wan don na mi fire can don shall but bani
fancy gada
hey takoroni
yes saya lala kati ya maya balala yila wa de you na 2020
yes you na 2020
but how sure were you that 2021 still I'm a hit
manda ndalira kama kwam
okay
kaliri chen
oh okay
karanya bedin nam sasa din na kam plans for me ayo kwam ni chen kama kan ni mwa yila mbala
no di yatla
warm up na bala yala ma
be are you handle
jam di ma
so I'm ara didn't come on after Dream album there's going to be another album
yes.
So yila no more is not part of that album sorry
so is pa mbidira
so aku dinna ku yim na
dinna ku yim na nna ku ban fans ma ku nyasam ku mi nyasam
chen okay teacher wa chen which part den ka na tuti
chen nyama azuru no kwamba na pa yetidam katazanta zuru yimpa
Allah
yemale barapa shekam kai bara manita azuru no kwamba na pa yetidam katazanta zuru yimpa hey apa chen ani ndo charmi chen kayar designer Angel original so natural amalaske sum punin yarame anong kunang malatiri mayitim ranyar mangani baby atabiyen wara bangara mutu yakasa
nyale
bidamanda bunyusla bangara nyama kashiba
wayo
Togizanu bayani kayale da shalem kan kamayancha unkudia yurlum waya pala bumbura Kasashali yankana kariyan chai. The party, more the city. A million party,
no reception.
Money your bills,
No reduction.
Then the party after party. Pose who can want a picture. Cause your beauty is so natural. The left personal photographer. Chakamaga ka post the Insta. Mandaya nirkunanma.
Kai.
Zumuti mama.
Gada garaba.
Mandaya nirkunanma. Zumuti mama. Apa chen indo chen.
Aya.
Kaya designer. Ayalo.
Chen lalenda fumbala. Yira wana drop ya. Amini nirubo pamda ya niru mala forbie. Ni chen ka ku ya.
Ni chen.
Ni bo nye chen.
Lano kat kula nyana kwama.
Okay.
Na wena kwam.
Brana will take time to study the lyric build up in it, man.
Aba, fasika dan yu gila funu pan yu gila ka. Ka so chungla yu gila len gila. Yu gila funu pan.
I take your time to gila pa. I will chat.
Because still your man there yo.
Okay.
Hali yi karo fiala. En la mate yelle.
Okay.
De kana yi gila karo fiala.
You have that time to studio.
Kaula ai. Kama no ku yu pom wono to zo zaman lan be studio.
Wow.
Studio kama ko yin kana jo.
Tona challenges ni mana tin lan lamna ha Jalila farlan drop la Jalila kala bere pune fanse gadam katamino hostel programmation. So we just looking at a warm up and other issues shanga den na yirna. We will go back into the main reason shanga which is the track the lyrical build up in it man nirwana mala misunderstand the mala ye to atamal shanga den be man nirwana banyarle the mal bukata na pun vivi so ka ba na ka fanse gadam na pun ye yir shanga na lala nyela ka chat de pune ka yina matin ni son pansai ka labn nyanga ba ka la yel tene kaman ba panye intiase ka le zangle do ba playlist pulia de katale tena ba betale tena nan ka na ba understand le. So let's go back into Jalila. I mean for the land
Jalila
Allah akbaru
Jalila
Allah biare
mbudola yinga sunna bi anang de yilala Jalila
wayo
mbudola yala yilala
hey Jalila
azukanda yil zomi mblani
kaya
antion koble ne pompon wonyela haske
umna
ni ma yulum kamal tura kan panjo
aba
ishi kato kaso yantu amambe fo so itu aka ngumli woni ni yantu woni ni yantu agum ya Jalila Jalila mbudala yela sunna be anan de yilala kan wula alebla wulya won tabla nang bung
umna hay
Taman never is as a tatam kula langbong.
Okay.
Halamai yalmani jalamuna dentam.
Okay.
Never be a zangla. Nazu balanini kancha. Mampala wiyencha balakanzom.
Wayo.
Never be a zangla. Marfak banzuni nibunyama. Mampala wiyencha balakabukuma. Baby awumya ukuzanga inkarika achasa ukuzanga yurlum nang cha ukuzanga inkarika achasa ukuzanga yurlum nang cha enzabla azuku kashaka nzualunga kakaka danta shakam karibara mana danta hey awumya Jalila budana yala sunna be anang de
ilala I mean, not just the lyrics in the song, but Fadlanda make la push. People can understand that make la push, man. No pumpo, no papa bang bag and come on the Simpson of Miazel Shapuluma. No paya.
No, mamia. Fasigara Bisham, I'm going to be last studio.
Okay.
I could burn my bishop.
Okay, she I collect artists who work with you.
Who
understand?
Okay. Mam sorry, you
Lavo.
So
you just go into the studio when the beat drops.
Just pray that Fasigara is happy.
Okay.
I pray that I come out up so piano.
I will hit man.
Hit can you free.
Straight.
Okay. So to the studio map go watch me. Go na le kai start.
Kaya.
Me could start ko now. Yeah, so
Gafati baden de biale.
No,
ntracha
Sama.
Yes, la de mazali. Akafa penalty to amapune. I mean, let's come around. Chakana kusanga good people like katana kana so that you calm down before you go into the song. The last concert shall Nation Tour shall start ma. Bumbla was the last show you went to.
Yeah.
How was it like?
Bumbla, Mami na yelba sham.
Aba.
welcome ma konkura chon kan wum nyasam
Karesu.
kamil ka de yung ma den garla
Of course.
kan ni tiar shamba yung ma ya ka yung ka ta shir garla la dobi
Karayano den gam ni male.
man jala ma den galan gam
Crazy.
bambla big up to you
Yeah man. Yeah man.
ay bambla
A first time bambla mbala.
du ye faka chambla
Okay.
nta ne kama ne ko hiti ni moy mbla chambla
Okay.
from to touch to
Wow. Halen so.
halen so na shi no so bambla
And response ma da shi wo he never
come on yes
That's true.
but I should show you my love bambla man de tan ko asasa
Okay.
mpuri pa le inda ira ta so ma shamba
Very well.
ira chika hum nyasam ka da wu kama de wula kama nimbele fansi mbele normal igba sa ni chetuma
Okay.
so igba nyede yina ko
Yeah.
Africa sasa na precision
Okay.
kom
Den na nyale.
number 2
Straight.
the whole Africa wo ka yirin dagbang be Ghana the whole Africa
I mean the performance of the song
yile ma
on YouTube
music
social media.
videos na ko shion
Okay.
dinen number 2
kama dinya kama like yon ti yon kama yirin fan kama fans Ghana makasi o attack na don so.
bankani
number 2.
na ko bankani
Ti yemba sa.
ka dagbang wo to ka yirma ye Africa
Asa kama Shatta Wale ni ma.
Shatta Wale ni ma Shatta sa ko dia you know even Nigeria artists are in this one what I'm talking about.
Ya yo hamme.
I will not
Ka fans Ghana
come number 2
so bi na ko mpe yiri yiri ba drop video
you sometimes in YouTube
come do
number 2 ka sa ko de number 1
o warma power
sa ko de number 1
okay ka be 2 ka ban pa
kana che nara mali teni am bitam na ma
yon ma apart from yini yon kama ngule bien san chanten
nta hal yon train ma so benji ila bu carte transport agba amia
cha ni mo pa targa
che ndare
ba is Hassan no shele is Hassan den ma top 10 ma bu appear den
maru nguna yon
okay
anu so ma ka Africa sa be bu carte transport
she abuli is Hassan den ma
sha abuli ka yon ten no ka sa ka agba no ko sham.
Let's go into the song now. Lyrics in the song. Tena kutuma. The idea behind the song. Fancy. Mbora na magama explain it because sometimes anami ye hila na and karma lecture go come and ara ye otuto kurguna and then people sometimes telehla anye suma like that sweet boy, that small boy. So tena di bisang come and the lyrical in the song ma to make an understanding of it because telehra me temino kubiani katemi tru tasala be katena then katena male imagine what will be in the song until we give it time. Will you check out this sabila ka boy title ma come?
Okay, so engul me kama de wula kama biago funi.
Okay.
Kama de nyane tem.
Okay.
Mbe street so.
Aba.
Karami ne nye kama de wula. Kama ka dol so.
Okay. Okay.
Kama dol so. Otra.
Okay.
Aba. Me ne biago funi ya. Yawa. Tuku chawa sharbutu.
Okay.
Sharbutu.
National Chief Imam.
National Chief Imam.
Sharbutu. Ghana sa hati.
Ghana sa Chief Imam.
Tunda nambala.
Tunda nambala.
Okay.
Orama la fa pamba.
No, talai.
Kabu kano.
Yes.
Otu ye Chief Imam.
Okay.
Anya na mani.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Anya akatu yele president.
Okay. Nanado.
Ora dola ogora de parti funi.
Yeah.
Na mo ngba so zali flag bearer.
No, of course. No, hal nanado rabia kama ogora kunya street kama irin.
Nima.
Ko wa ko biara. Hal demonstration nanado rabia gbagbo irin.
Ama so ko yembo.
O palila president. Okay.
Aba wo mi ko de biago funi. She ka dolso.
Okay.
Katina lepso.
Okay.
Wo do so ko de master.
No, not at all.
Fancy gada manga son ko nyama.
Ami ana mahamar fe yalanga. Urama lafa.
Desanko.
Dunia sabe ando na ma na so. Am urama lafa. Na da na to kunun kal Quran shi no so.
Ama braka to
ngol.
De chama.
Agba to chama. Okay.
So biago funi bi shak comme ça ka ina.
Okay.
She so ka dola.
Very well.
Bi she so nta niese.
Okay, sure.
Kana pass pour ambo na pa.
Very well.
Kamiya street station. Temple be street man so. Street man so de benira kom.
You are that smart.
Kube.
Okay.
Kube kom. Okay, kube kom maya. It is like it is beyond the simple term shabe yundele.
Okay.
You can look at the kube kom o dola so ko to. On kom.
Okay.
Kalia no, it is beyond that.
Okay.
Because I will have minister nema.
Yeah.
MP nema.
Yeah.
Bunyura kom be minister nema.
Yeah, sure.
Ka minister na new president san. Ka president mo mama. O chapter pan loro kan na.
Sasa. Okay.
So yile mapuni. I'm a gamma content one after the other. I'm going to talk about it.
Okay.
Ni computer ya. Nyama never baba aku bang shabu.
Okay.
Tuni even ya aku bang walu.
Aba.
Tama salma ko gale banyala na pawon.
Okay. Womu yetwa.
Tina ku break man ko.
Kaman très bas de na ko.
Diba tama bil ma konko.
Tout le monde ayel mani.
Anyama never baba aku bang shabu.
Okay.
Tuni even ya aku bang walu.
Okay.
Salma ko gale banyala na pawon.
Okay. Okay.
Biago funi ya.
Yeah.
Kama anyama never baba aku bang shabu. Biago funi. Kama abanye misem.
Yeah.
Be yale paga. Aku bang zelle.
No, of course.
Nyuko yara jaro.
Shede to mi game.
Thank you. Kaya o abubenam.
Yes. Abia ko kumale.
To kumale.
Okay.
Kana pa bang zelle.
Yeah, sure.
Terinya aku bang shabu ma.
Ne tout le monde bo nya.
Tout le monde nya. Aku bang no welgo biani.
Yes. Maso bia she ta kan di o pa.
Ona nang
hankali. Oni mwai.
Ababo.
It's true.
Ka sa no kaya ya to ma selmo ko garle.
Okay.
Ban yakle ban parna wo. That means to ma ba malagrama.
Okay.
Ban parna wo.
Allahu akbar.
So ayu mo yila. Ka nya ba ngam kende funi. Nta a hankal ma za so anyel.
Wow. No, diri na galmoti ya. So we no na boy find it time to listen.
No, kale like mami ya. So bia de pala like mungu yene no nyasa.
Ogumle.
Omi bu understanding them there for kind I know that I educated youth man be gym that you come. Mbe yala la.
Okay.
Ana kam sila
sana kama yere baramal bu.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mbe yene so imeta me barawo. Jimna nyuru kom.
Okay.
Kabatura ka nyuru kom.
Okay.
Na lebla bi dira nyuru kom.
Okay.
De zwarfi jimna nyuru kom.
Okay.
Nyama aku jara master ka masa nyebibla. O tomda.
De zwarfi. Shela ka ba nan sane.
Shela ka nan han nta paga pa bashi.
Allah akbar.
Jimna nyuru kom.
Okay.
Kabatura ka nyuru kom. Na lebla bi dira nyuru kom.
Okay.
De zwarfi jimna nyuru kom.
Okay.
Anto ku nyukom. Nyukom ntinyu takaba nyuru so kom.
Oh. Akaya.
Aba. Sa shulu.
Okay.
Kagum ni yeto afi nyanga wo. Mbo yile pa ntla yile ka so jim lo yenga yele ne ma hanka sen za yile kane.
Wow.
Anto ku nyukom. Ntinyu takaba nyuru shap kom.
Okay.
De wura ka de wula. Anto dolso.
Okay.
Ozoga ka ba to zo.
Zane. Yeah, of course.
To chama. To yama to chama. Tena ko him diana. Tena ko yi street man ka kana asan zan nem funi.
Okay.
Kama lo haruna.
Yeah, sure.
Ni ba la ko zo yo.
Gandu.
Ni ba la ko zo yo.
Tinto boli ya don wari katuri.
Ma katuri.
Ariski.
Alaja fizo.
Alaja fizo. Pa olu.
Kati jongo.
To sabra bu kopu zo. Woi, karma ya pam.
Tijongo.
Timiti ni mtamani o.
Njala. Deko jongo. Kama I can be tuku mitambe.
Okay, no, of course.
Tijongo kom yu kati ne so ko kana kom yu. Tunu ko bala.
So halagba na me nyukana yina.
Ka so kwa so ka at least. But 20 be 50. Agba so ka tale nyale. So yile maza ku wuro kama de wula. Kama de soir fini kama de wula. Be shade nche ka bukata mali.
Okay.
So bien ya kaparchi. Nito cheko
o filer kaman.
O ko sa approach ba.
Yes.
Be o ko sa venture.
Okay.
Tebe encourage wo to wuma. Yile ma pour di chapolo. Akati yale ya. Kwa madoro kadegi tilae. Abo kwa adoro abenya tilae.
Aba, okay.
Share ma problem.
Okay.
Karana solve.
Okay.
Abo share ya problem. Duku to solve. Tomati makabya kam kanger ko ngonyura.
Oh, dube yila mali. Aba.
Oh.
Tichama, na tema.
Tomati makabya kam kanger ko ngonyura.
Okay.
Le tumana nyur le kale hosira.
Oho, okay.
Ai ti ba banka ka ba nyuba. Iba nyur to ko ngoma gadam puri ya. Oh my brother.
Oh, babu yale.
Babu yale ni abu wumle. Wumle yile ba.
Memeya.
Wumle yile ba.
Ai babu yale la.
No, yale ai de be yile ba de.
Ton la veste ma kan wumle shao.
Kwa madoro kadegi tilae.
Okay.
Abo kwa adoro abenya tilae.
Very well. Okay.
Share ma problem.
Okay.
Karana solve. Abo share ya problem.
Okay.
Duku to solve.
Wonderful.
Tomati makabya kan ka nyer ko ngonyura. De tumana nyur le kale hosira. Ai te ba banka ka ba nyuba. Iba nyur to ko ngoma gadam puri ya. Sumai se president.
Neya saya.
Nazo camera guys must I check with you.
Yes. One don market to mino for you retawaya fancy goddamn the super ruler. What happened you and the Tinkaroji? Now the Tinkaro with Jamaya. Song shall only drop in recent times, ma. Title man yellow come. Can you try be repuno pa? Caranaba ntias yet to shower. The program moma didn't need them the gender shambala and didn't trend that I can check on your nism. The Malpuka and the fancy goddamn tenant nearly to come and only restaurant the shamoma. Mamma, mommy, Nissan, no dear Kai Nigo the two. But you try gentle and you champagne dira. Come on, fancy goddamn punyelle. I work Pambo Cabatratilla. Abaya. I just Pambo habitat my as only bad. Lord Kajia. To near limited Bamborn when you understanding. Come on, yeah, the lyrics in the song, the meaning in Yeshamulu. For my understanding, it seems to be a motivation. It seems to be an inspiration that, yeah, how I be fitter shop, how I be carpenter shop. Do cannot lead. Kamasa yella, get away, Kamasa yellow, don't get demoralized. Don't feel insulted. The chakani buy. Now film coming here, unknown the Beshama. There's a goal ahead. Now Kuzam solo. How do you go in yellow bidrenya? Bidra. Oh, Kofabra, Kayina, Kayu Luri, Kayu Kote, Zanmete, Pamana. Now the Chakani John.
The Philip Madula, the man that get chance. Because I'm a man to Tura.
Okay.
I'm a solo.
Kabamada answers.
Thank you. Come on, Bekatanga. Come on, you come answer. Come on, show me. Lay on the pilgrim from the non
for you.
I have.
Yeah.
Not to get a bit of flesh.
Okay.
I have. High rapidly. Manja is in.
Yeah.
What I'm telling you. Look to Tom, challenge
opinion attack.
Let's go opinion attack. Not to limit your sharp. Like what I am. Ababo. I'm on Dabi demoralizing.
Okay.
You
had a determination.
Zambalama.
Okay.
I know. Can I get about Sashali? Hadn't that you shall? Nda yindi ka biyan nin kala yin yare na wuzu kan yarma so nda ko chantu yarma
okay
no bi no ba mu
ni yar ko
pio ma
oyo
no ko jero chani yiro ko
kaya
kare yila
mun wogo machine zalla
njala
no zo to ya de to
ayabo
ya ba yeto akata
so kombala
okay
dama nda de la vita flesh na bu ma yila
okay
nda jentu nyur kom comment il a bon be chaque son mal ka de la soga
yeah okay
o ma la ka bon ta la ay chang ko chang ama fili ka de wula ni akala kala be
ba in that song ma come on tinto nya come like okay come on so bien ko fili come on maybe sha film kama de ma la ka ku yerma kama sha bien be sura la ka to la ko la ka to la so in that regards ma is it that so bien kakul benang de la kama so bien mun na shin so lare mun so na shin to lare
mbata mnya la ni sala mun ko yer ka do mun na kama so na shin so
mun na shin explain it
to so do to na mun yer la ni sala
so kam bien la
an le sa ko mi ro ko spulo
okay
yes to ko le pam buzan bu gumma yila afrika yila ya tuni yango son pungarso obiani ni master ay dwalla so ko so ga kana lebga master gana ngoza presidenti ogomale master
aba
foi kati yang karampasi ayamala teacher
allah akbar
oh yila ayo yila no okay you go sara ayaya ma la kan yama o but because of yila ma na danceable kakanya
ko no ka to wara
beaucoup de monde me sa on ayaya kan ni ku
aso be ogoro me na ayaya
ya pa ka sai
okay
o mu shari yara
you to abien po ka na sama
thank you dunia ngo son pun garso obiani ni master
ayaya
ay dwalla so ko zo ga kana lebe master
ayaya
gana ngo za presidenti obama la master
ayaya
foi kati yang karampasi ayamala teacher kanyinya nguni kanang de bundamba karambani
okay
komne mala de batu na patapuli
kaya
yanyinya nguni kanang de bundamba karambani
okay
komne mala de batu na patapuli
okay
kabe ya kabe zanya abo kwa doro
kaya da ban pam min yana wasar la pulun non yin takati
Tisankuba.
kan mun mala
Apa tak pulun amakan.
a chantan na a kwerla mun yin kwano sane
Tisankuba.
kan mun sur no ka ko bana da ku
Wayo.
Yes, nene explain no masa hanir subsin te de video ma ne kan nya kama ashir yel shel ma ne to nya la yeto ashir ka ta yarta ma
To memle.
to zango solo kan te ga ka ba ne te ben Ahmed Mujahid Bello te po han yore ta maya den channel on TV yir shel on drop ka bol ko
Du yango so kunder so jani ni master. Ay ay bella so ko so ga kana le ka master. Ay kana mo sa president Obama la master. Ay Koi ka te yan karpasi I am a teacher. Ay yango ni.
Okay, Menazin Food Spices in Topalizi Tomato Mix, Lalanyalaka Mr. Red Motors, the Institute of African Arts and Technology, Ntepa Marie Stops Ghana, Kababe Arsikitima Punuka program waka the Kanamaya. Yes, in the board Sahapa, explain the appreciated sponsors my papa as always, Tumpuka Papa Pamana Barkanum. Yes, Agbanogum the program Manya some Sasha comes on. I'm Melbourne Borbuna, the Carnela Kaman, the general sponsor to Mabapama Manka to Darbasania, the check up Nyambu. Kagba supported the program ma bananya Menazin Food Spices la lenya la kalisi tomato mix mo ni shele fansa ganam tomato sila da won gafara anto darbasania la lenya la Mr. Red Motors de mi wata wasapal damazo ko bambal arsikiti maka program ma ka kanama the Institute of African Arts and Technology ayat mbalama bambal pangman pam no Maristops Ghana and all the guys around. Yes, table bien ka TNT and the show shanga fansa ganam no plan no non kuzam mo solo di pashal before ka end the program tena yadi to aya la nation to mama because Dream album didn't toy into toy nine and this time around champion but in performances of that song so much no fans ganam kana around so then I could be me nanya den kanati jam shanga bumpum book shanga tinteli banna beyond the pipeline to book as this man murmutama this hatan kanati yele but we're still talking about the hits of the moment which is come jara teacher ma video map no come on the TV. Okay, people are getting it clear that explain the shama the lyrics shall be some man the difference. Okay. The only thing is that people need to listen and make a meaning out of it. Okay. Congratulations because it's an inspirational song. Thank you so much. You are inspiring people on the street. Yeah. You are inspiring people on houses. No, commanding
in the offices.
Yes, did he feel
they believe Ramon too much.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen.
Yeah. How on the streets ma to kunyele kashabian kar kunyala how to kujel come an example come most of these game boys ma. But shabian maybe was on la client not to senior. Karta pajian come see oborban shot. So the and it all happened. Yeah. Come attention John Dramani Mahama. Clearly John Dramani Mahama Daniela appointee under Ata Amilos. Ko yi kucham chwana katela na kali president. To lashima nyame on that deputized so in Atamis government. Ko tela na kadela papor chuma jo mama sane. Wow. Anye so didn't know the Garcia Biago for no so I mean it's a great inspiration that
try my make a move.
Okay. To take up na video mapuni. I mean the video. Okay. Na kubor na yelma na also engineer ngule meji la ma. Engineer so ngoku so bokum na kam mela.
Beat killer. Killer
man. Beat killer. But
come killer man. Dubai here. Beat killer.
Mwewe.
Killer man. Dr. Fisa Charlie, God bless.
Dr. Fisa, what you know about beat killer?
Mo potala jungle man.
Oh, killer man pa jere.
Beat killer.
Umdele me ya bara ntanu kama ankara so ntenen yu.
Ay.
Dr. Fisa nkoba.
Dr. Fisa nkoba.
Oh, Dr. Fisa.
Dr. Fisa Charlie, big up to you. Because trust me, the idea of the video ma it didn't come very danceable. Wonder encouragement.
Wow.
No problem can check wabia.
Okay.
Because only on the beat ma picture go cool. Nyale.
Yeah.
So name have don't come makana.
Wow. Okay, let's go to the video. Because video ma muna tonko chang break ma so come le video ma but as we are talking video ma ban na merka leria. Let's go into the video. Mule ma video ma
director Anas one ma video.
Mapoduma.
Mapoduma.
No, but I have na brando.
Brando.
Director Anas Nkuma. From intro
the beginning and end.
Director Anas Nkuma.
Director Anas Nkuma video.
Wow.
Angela go. The run come de wula. Come to me bang the pam. Not region.
Sure.
The name better.
Okay.
Ababo. Because they started working with Dr. Pisa. Several no like I'm going. you know, big arts, got to do with Dr. Pisa.
Okay.
Near left from
Yeah.
I was only something Dr. Pisa.
Of course.
Yeah. So to pull about the director Anas, show young card, oh no, this is into my director Anas, my betting that started with Joe Kamel.
Yeah.
Like you like, I took something Ankara.
Yeah.
No, Ankara man is sending your bow. You want Marcos sending them Kujaba. Ababo, the Kunya card, the Mama.
Okay.
Sent up to my police, some sending. I get director to anonymous and chant at my food.
Of course.
You musician, my captain, Zan chant to my pulu. And then, engineer the Marcos, I have
yeah, sure.
Because Dr. Pisa, no. I salute you.
No, big up to you, big up, man.
And
video man, video man. I mean, there's a whole lot in there because Halen, but on the breakdown, but on the analysis of songs, mean videos on the internet. I'll come one and I mean, Ankaranama, and most of them have picked that song, man, and on the breakdown, and they are talking about the video.
Yeah.
I mean, one color separation.
Okay.
In the graphics, man.
Yeah.
They seems to suggest that nowhere ka gan or kan mali. But believe me, idea man.
No, the one is not on.
I mean, costuming. How was it like? When drawing concept, man.
Bishop comes out. The concept was from the director.
Okay.
Because director man, if I'm working with Fancy Gadam, I'm putting you on to shanga.
Okay.
Come me the kind of video shanga on my mind. The Simpson was into video ya. Ka video ma ko sorte den Simpson ne chancha.
Sure.
Okay. So problem ya on tout concept man artist. Can you move on domini auto concept.
Time budget.
It goes with money.
Okay. Sure.
Sure. So that concept of Jelle Karzen Shadi Laptop.
Okay.
Atumambala.
Okay.
It's a free advice for every artist.
Okay.
Atumambala. Craft map for Indian chicken dunya. Craft my chicken you tajima.
Okay.
Come on, you don't want to yina. Come on, you paka yina na can speed ma.
Yeah, Caribbean.
Caribbean.
We can see that the performance on YouTube.
On YouTube, ma do run card the speed ma be so pam.
Capiala.
Abba because within 3 days can put your 100K. The last time you this time you 100K, she pack 1 week be 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Then children jail be resolution among one speed man.
Wow.
Okay. And big up to the dancers and then to my management for giving that huge money to shoot that kind of video
man. A whole lot was spending.
Bishop comes out give you
TM press onto the wall estimate of a rough estimate. Come and take a video man in dia kamala.
I could really
no but to boil carry.
But I'm young one. Budget man Zoya because a lot of people were in the video and
a whole lot dancers man different
different and different costume.
Okay.
Different mind. I got so open about contribute.
Yeah, sure.
Ndala kuchana nothing back one scene share Zola. Guys so kwara na Zola.
Yeah.
Ayawo. Ka smoke.
Okay.
Shete usuma. Karna bende na bende machama.
Oh.
Kada kuya samaka tuna kunya shete na yona na mazo. Ka vino na ngwa.
Kaya.
And plan.
You have to pay for it.
Yeah.
Of course.
You have to do something because
you have to do it.
You have to do something.
Okay.
But what you come out the wula to Tumambala and again Omirika the wula ngomiri.
Okay.
So some more aku you look at no fancy money no. Domini nyambiye shan go you too.
Okay.
Kako yi like some question once I can never chat.
Still in the video man, there's a place that had bloggers that pick up. Karamala kaman aku block la half of Tamale and ka video man mai.
Yeah.
Video map pour numbala ko.
De pour numbala.
Okay.
Video map pour domini la kind of since na vraiment. Je te ko yile tin ka mal.
So you
because I needed yes. In the form background man. She ayila ni ka mala sin man.
Okay.
How you something that something is din. Come on they will you know bon magi sincerely.
Okay.
And I need his support. Ko man no fancy. I see shabana man. Do ko mayo.
Because traffic na be yon pam.
Pam.
Okay.
So I man come be kind of man. Can you yeah?
Because that scene was needed because it is talking about inspiration of Tuma, the Simpson Street man, the Simpson market.
Yes.
Okay.
So katakam yina money. To be like Zanyam Mazu. Into could you state panels once. To drop an
okay.
Can you drivers ma? Kapzani.
Okay.
Kalon le ma. For my brusa. Can cook your halani. I said this.
What?
Cut traffic.
Kapchela.
And they have to wait. That na full song.
So that was it.
Abawo kabagare. Kata left starting. Kada the traffic last.
Video sin bang mare kama.
Don't matter no. She can't lamma. So we suffer for them.
Okay.
And we had it. So
yeah, sure. Yeah. I mean, it really contributed in the beauty of the video, man. And whoever the inconvenience might have caused that day, man. Yes, the one don ma po hana yuru tamaya. Interesting part ma katapama because Sahama Garia, and I'm sure that Pompo Nirupanya understanding of the song very well. Let's look at the song. Yilama Pune, Angeli Twashangama, just yesterday, ma, and it seems to be a response to that song Shala Yenama. Makasio drop la yila kabol in tuma. Una explain it to come and okay, this is a response to Fansaganam Yilama, but the Bampamaya no cook and long with the Jabba Kumsum. I mean to Barabe Hill and Mata Panda. Lyrics in that song seems to suggest that I shall and drop a kayan no comma. The Maluba no yel command I try the land nearby. Be I in the Bushi and you come, no way in Bala you will be in Pala Yanga because Naji and you come no come no bra.
Okay.
So Kamule Yan Kamaya, we shall come you, Kayina to tum the tuma.
Okay.
So it seems to suggest that no fakani mima.
Okay.
Ami agum yila mabi.
Number gumle. Ama oh yalla maybe obugumle yila pai.
Okay.
Abawo. Ne kolo pai bambugum yila pa kapun yanni.
Okay.
Ne kolo paraponi.
Okay.
Don ndi tam ne explain yila ma. Ka wum yila ma lyrics one after the other ma. Abang ne kamadi to shani yarma. Kala na kan yarma.
Aba.
Ne kolo pai. Ama is good. But never understand ma. Ama ne yes nyam ka dula. Ma ko me to amba abawo.
Okay.
Oye na kama audio ma maybe or kana tin yango za mbaran to lo abawo ko ma quality video kama na ma quality video shama
wala ma video
abawo mbaran to lo
okay
mbaran nyu ko abawo
Close. Ya dia to kuruma
ayo
nyu wapa go afa
no paso no dinenya ingile ko attaquera torungo is smart move man
okay
domine obora trend aba o fiala
okay
I like that
we mala show 21st August
I torungo obora attention but wait
no malete game
wait
August magas go be park jangman
why torungo problem Kamera ngwa video
mo mete MCR mo be so bielo so le to close ma
Oi
amar be so bielo
ma jafur ma yida yida
so le to close ma
ma jafur yida ka yida ma ku yida
oh ba video ma kamo yen mai nugo sare
yes oku bor sepulu aba ngba to kunyo aba nkuma to ko kan le
dara
anas be jo kabel aba nitoyu agba ko le no nice video to la yila ko on bondo zakatinya yere bari pena tres ma pour be
no den to den kana
aba no amanda ko mon biere fena
Veya ni wanda yes the cherka goma on TV takantega ka abona medicine food spices ne lisi tomato mix Mr. Red Motors the Institute of African Art and Technology in Tepa Maris Tubskana barambi arsikitimba puluka programa ka de kanamaya once again good people of Mamprugu yes now when something yeve pa ga chodale the Americans concert ma didonzi the Mamprugu rulama o kanuna true with that particular concert ma so na mal Michel Gulia now when something yeve pa ga chodale ma there's so many artists supporting me within the course of the week man labna I'll tell you more about that man yes will see date ma gba yabo
yeah so nta ngara kuma show sha fasala mama
yeah
nta nya nwe chan will see man yala 31st
okay 31st this month July one by
and then Saturday nya nwe be Damango.
Okay, Damango on Saturday.
Okay. Damango on Saturday.
Okay,
and then
very well.
To the Nebiao, a day after Salah,
okay.
Daboya.
Okay, Daboya.
So Daboya no mayiku yunda. To the Nebiao no be Daboya.
Okay, very well.
Damango no mi gwani yunda.
Choda.
Na party choda nya nwe be choda.
All right.
Damango.
Very well.
And then 31st me nya nwe piana nano.
Okay.
Wulesi.
Very well.
So would no man.
Because Bumbala no banda prove point. I mean, and it was crazy.
So
but Wulesi yelman ne Bumbala den da no concert in Nabala. La ka yelma. So let's wait and to then the band man and then yendi before that man and after that man yendi will register with the and I'm sure date man either CFB 13th August man just next month
yendi no mara ya mane ne bumbla no ma ban no shawa
no ma leadership
pa no bobo do no atangar brand agba so let's see
let's shoot over hitting you in Sankara well I was a collection bringing down two so kumbal meshile wherever you find yourself either in Damango be Daboya be Wulensi be na Sankara na kumbal meshile the dates are fixed and we'll be rolling
so that's one thing bazanta nda promise la fans mark ma di bande check Congo man
okay
can hit chant pag number 1
okay
because dollar number 2
okay
bande ni stream yira bande la bro gun video man la bro gun de
okay
ka YouTube ma traiter les song number 1
okay
ingela mo le yi parlement de video la tapana
la kara baba
al kawle kam ba
okay so pour demi do number 2
do number 2 so push me ya kar pag number 1
okay di pa number 1 yildin ka yi na
mbe yala
ana be yala shiri pa number 1
de mala be yasha ya yirna so simson ni nyeso ya
okay
be no freestyle ba
non freestyle katinya bien fou
attention
non bien haldi ni kama irin two lines ba
pour que la ka da pun ko man karta
ka pressure te bien mo de katali ka committee ina ka commi zalza so
labo
malamba
no freestyle to umi abisha
to tu chama
Yula Yuli
kai
one done Yuli
aya nyale
one done Yuli
ai
Mbumda boli yuli kan Yuli one Yuli one Yuli
wayo
Mbumda boli yuli kan
wayo
haile maninya bele chira
wayo
oh
no aku ya ngar sa ya to bana understand ka wanda sa ila go di ya shi to pani mane biana no ban pa dundol na drop am yile ma yes teacher ma katisan close let's pick out the song yile ma kan pa bor na ko katuza le let's go okay from anywhere let's start anywhere we do
dunia ngoso punga so obiani ni master ayaya ai dwala so kozo ga kana lemga master
ayaya
gana ngoza president obama la master
ayaya
kwai kati yankarambasi ayama la teacher
ayaya
nyanguni kana de bundambo karambani kumni mala de butu na patapule ya kumni mala de butu na patapule Abquadoro, Abenyati lae. Quamadoro, Kadegiti lae. Share my problem, Karna solvie. I'm share problem, you could also solvie. Kamati, Makabia, come kind your communura. The 2 9 you look a lay hosira. I take Babam Kakabanuba. You to come my goddamn puria. I is the president. Oh, speak up my door. Who could talk to General Sham? I'm parliament to go Palapata. Vision 2020. When you renew plenty 200. Why to put your Annie Mammy? Dear Peno 2020 energy. Al Pacino. Papa Pacino. Mula Nudi. 1990
Alaji Nero ai oh wa yo mele nyodi agofina okay abola banyura ni manuma okay tu panda ba mama
ma awuje ba o
no problem anya ya oh ya ba explain it tout là
wayo
ai
mulele nyodi 1990 Alaji
Nero oh
DJ Carlos
na mama senior DJ Carlos, we salute you. Alors, pouvez-vous pas mal appuyer?
Nakala, mamia, il y a badges.
Okay.
Tu vas nous couper badges.
Du coup, comment university?
Thank you. I'm going to get the headmaster.
Okay, yes.
So, 80 students.
No, man,
can I tell you the class professor?
Okay.
What? Napolo?
Hey, crossing. Cesar Capuca, DJ Parara. Wosu. Yes. Oh, this I to fire.
Look, I'm the one that get there, but
Oh no, bien samba yang. Ay, adugale. Ay, adugale no mali shop kopu ya. Comment vous y parlez? Il a dit un mot, il te met le mal problème. Yes, big after you, on a myself. Yes, GH Pen, ne peut pas apprendre pen. Yes, there's something to salute à Bagno comme yes, le 200. 200. Yes, Alhaji Nero. Yes, 1990. Bosman Belma. To pour mon comme ça. I mean, how come man you mag? But shabia, quand on malentra, man pour yera. Shabia, but malentra soutien.
So comme malentra, di banjur ko ma bien
kana wa bien mi
ko street ma
okay
zo ma ban jama kan lora
di dola
ko bu street ma
okay yarma ya
la yuwan ma ka bu street ma
of course
anya ban yel lor ka ba bi tabni
okay
aba ka min ka de o so ni ma biani de to kan basani
ba shab bien ya de man la de have the babu you kan ni kama what about that
aba understand
so kam okay sure but galsia
ama so ya la ni so ya ba so na ni ba so ya pam
okay ba za you
ma na ni wa na mbole Ciao Nuru.
Okay, Kasamba.
Besamba.
Kaya.
You know, Uma Yamala target. Target Mangela, the youth.
Okay.
So you shall get Maza Sangela.
Those on the street. Okay. All right. Nita Sahama Paya. I take a chance and Kapuka Pango comes out Hagbai. Dinchana on NTV. Mapunyela. Lalaka near the song like a program in the one stand Maya. Yomana Kantangana Barkana. Because course Mapunkana. Yes, Fancy Gadam, Bundaka and Bundaka and Jilgo Yilama. So many calls to satisfy the thing. I am meditable and you yasum. Program on the Tuesday. Piana Sabas 9 o'clock. It will be on the repeat. Same channel, NTV Balama. Yes, God willing on Friday again. The program will be there. Repeat again Friday morning at 9 a.m. in Lambalama. Hey, and if the need arises, Dinan Karamal Bukata, Fancy Gadam Kula be Yomaya, Songoman and Otumbala to Buluna, Katinya yet to ascertain Yadjang. Yes, Banung, viewing mass at the Puru Kapaso Kamaza and Bayindi, and by supporters some production. Thank you so much. We are most grateful as always. Abigail Mefa, when I'm in charge of the camera, Ahmed Yalamumbe, MCR, Shahid. Yes, Shahid Yalamumbe, Ankara, Kazur Kwampa, Shahid. The boss said he will call you. Don't worry. How you come, man? Yes, Alpha Kojo Barton is the CEO of AKB Multimedia and the whole crew supporting him. Yawi say Yalamumbe Ness Ankara, Yawi yes, Niyarwaza Haya, Marhaba. Nandam Bias and Makabamba Kobga, then the Turko Kanuza Propagama, Nikunya shall come, Yasan Biyum Kasat and Okulunkola, Kokuman Panga, Mohammed Hafiz, the trender, Fancy Kadam, the one tone ruler. We out. Bye bye. Salam.